Now I'm going to tell you how you can give the page color. For that, you will go to the design option. When you will click on design, you can see at the right side, option is appearing page color. Just click on this down arrow, then it will show you all type of colors. So whatever color you want, you can select that one. So in this way, you can give the color to a page. Next, there are some other options are also given, like more colors. When you will click on the more colors, it will give you all the colors. So you can select or you can click on anywhere, and you can even drag this slider also. Here at the right side, you can see that it is showing current color, and this is a new color which you just have selected. So if I'm going to select red, so it is going to show red color here. So whatever the color you want, you select that color from here also, then click on OK. So now I'm going to tell one more option. Here you can see that fill effects option is coming. Click on it. Now you can see here it is showing many options: one color, two color, preset, and shading style. So if you see here, it is showing that shading. Shading means two colors are appearing in a gradient mode. For example, I'm selecting this one. This one is a horizontal one. I've selected this one. So now you can see that text is appearing in a shading mode. Again, you can select two colors. Here, this is actually a two color. So first color is this and second color is this. You can change the color from there also. For example, I want this and this. So this type of color is now going to fill. Okay. Now there is one more option is giving. This is a actually horizontal way, horizontal styling. Here you can have the vertical also, diagonal also. You can see that automatically it is changing. Diagonal down, from corner, from center. So in case in a from corner, I want this one, to select this one. If you want the corner this side, so you select this box. Now you can see I have selected, it is filling the inner corners. So this is a one way to give the color. Now next I want to tell you about the page borders. You click on this option. By default, none is selected because we are not having any border. You can see that that's what none is selected. Next, you can see it is showing box. If you want to have a box style page border, so in that case you will select this one, and here in the next you can see a style is appearing. Select any style. Presently I'm just going to style this standard one, simple line. Now next is I just simple first click on OK. Now you can see the one thin line is appearing as a border. I have two pages, also it is coming to all two pages, but it has many more options. Just click on it. Next is there is, you can see so many styles are given, dotted and dash, so you can select any one. For example, I want to have a this style, this style. Next is a color, because you can see it is showing that it is showing it will come like this. Next is a color. You can select the color also. Next is a width. So it, if you want to have a like this one, so you can select this one also. Now click OK. So now you can see border is appearing. Okay, I hope it's very simple. But one more thing I just want to show you. Sometime it happens we want border only on one side or two side. So there are some boxes are appearing which actually by clicking on that you can select in which side you want a border. For example, if I select this one, so this border is not appearing. I can again click on it to have it, or click on it to remove it. So there, for example, this pattern you want, or you want only on top side of a border. Okay, so in this way also you can decide the side for the border. Now you can see it is coming only on the top side, both the pages. Now this is a one style, and we are having like shadow style also. You can see that it's showing shadow. If you want to have it like this, you can have this one also. So it will show like this. So many styles are here. You can select anyone. And 3D. So when you will select a 3D, so 3D type of styling start appearing. Okay. And next I like to tell you about this none. When you click on this art, so it is showing some patterns, some design for a border. You can select any one. For example, I want to have this one. So your border will appear like this. Okay. There is a one option like whole document. It means that in case I have 2 or 4 pages or many pages in my document, so border will apply on all the pages. But if you want to have only first page, so there is a one option, this section first page only. So it will appear only in first page, not on the second page. Or similarly, there is one more option, except first page. So it means that it will not appear on first page, it will appear on rest of the pages of document. This is all about the page border. That's all.